exact location on the map?
Yes, we can, dear. Longitude and latitude help us to find the exact location on the map.
Mom, what is longitude and latitude?
Let me tell you. We cannot see or study the whole of the earth at once, so a globe or a map is used to study about the earth. A globe is a small model of the earth which gives us an accurate picture of the earth's surface and location of places on a smaller scale. It also shows that 29% of the globe is land masses or continents, whereas the rest 71% is covered by water and mainly consists of oceans. The blue-colored parts in globe represent the water bodies. Light blue color represents shallow water, and dark blue color represents water which is deep.
However, the globe has some limitations also. If it is too large, we cannot carry everywhere. If it is small, hence we cannot see the places and landforms, etc. A globe cannot show a part of the earth in detail because the globe has to represent the whole earth. For example, we cannot see the details of Goa on a globe. Goa is too small to be shown on a globe. Only 1/2 of the earth can be seen at one time on a globe. We have to rotate it to see the other parts. A map is a drawing of an area of the earth's surface on a flat surface. A person who makes maps is known as a cartographer. A book of maps is called an atlas. A map is very useful because it is easy to carry around. It gives us detailed geographical information such as physical features, mountains, lakes, valleys, etc., human-made features, factories, roads, airways, towns, cities, etc. Even a small area can be enlarged and shown on a map. But a map cannot show the correct shape of the earth because you cannot flatten the earth's surface. Broadly, maps can be classified into 3 main types: physical, political, and thematic. Physical maps show physical features such as mountains, plateaus, deserts, plains, rivers in different heights using different colors. Political maps show the political divisions of the world into continents, countries, states, districts, etc. Thematic maps focus on some specific information such as rainfall, population, roads, railways, minerals, crops, etc. To understand a map, one should know how to read it according to the language of map. Reading of a map or the language of a map includes the knowledge related to the signs, symbols, colors, directions, and scale on a map. All maps follow a system of directions. The 4 main directions or cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. The top of the map points to the north and is marked as N. The bottom of the map always points to the south. The right side of the map is the east and left side of the map points to the west. Northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest are the subdirections that lie between the main directions. As we cannot show the actual size of the earth or even a small space on a map, we need a scale. A scale is therefore a ratio between the distance on a map and the actual distance on the ground. The division of distance on the scale is linear. For example, 1:1 lakh is given as the scale on a map. It means that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. The scale of a map is often shown as a line with distances marked on it at equal intervals. As there is not enough space to show mountains, rivers, houses, temples, churches, dams, railway tracks, etc. on a map, we use different symbols and signs to show such information. These symbols are common or conventional in every map so that everyone can understand them. We also use colors to show different features on a map. A key is given to understand what each color and symbol means. The key shows the height of the land and depth of the water through shades of color that varies from dark to light. A. Oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and other water bodies are shown in blue color. Dark blue shows deep water and light blue shows shallow water. B. High mountains are shown in dark brown color. Low mountains and plateaus are shown in light brown. Snow-capped mountains are shown in white. Yellow shows the desert or dry areas. C. Plains and lowlands are shown in green. The land mass of the earth is divided into continents. The water bodies on the earth are divided into oceans. Nearly 71% of the earth's surface consists of water, while the remaining 29% of the earth is the land area. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. North America is the 3rd largest continent. It was discovered in the 15th century. Europe is the 6th largest continent. It is the most developed continent. Asia is the largest continent. It shares its landmass with Europe. The Ural Mountains in Russia and the Caspian Sea separate Asia from Europe. Australia is the smallest continent. It is the only continent that is a country and also surrounded by water on all sides. It is a large island. It is the only country in the world that covers an entire continent. South America is the 4th largest continent. It is also called Latin America. Africa is the second largest continent. The world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert, is in Africa. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It remains covered with ice throughout the year. Oceans are very large water bodies with saline water. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean with many ships moving about in its waters. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. The Antarctic or Southern Ocean is a frozen ocean.